All progress takes place outside the comfort zone. You may not be there yet, but you are closer than you were yesterday. The pain you feel today will be the strength you feel tomorrow. A little progress each day adds up to big results. When you feel like quitting, think about why you started. A 1-hour workout is 4% of your day. No excuses. Your success is found in your daily routine. You are one workout away from a better mood. The best investment you make is your own health. 3 months from now, you will thank yourself. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day. Work hard, good results will come. Take care of your body, it's the only place you have to live. Once you see results, it becomes an addiction. Don't give up because you had a bad day. Forgive yourself and do better tomorrow. You have to think it before you can do it. The mind is what makes it all possible.